Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today we're going to be talking about Python's Q module, a versatile tool that is especially helpful in multi-threaded programming scenarios. Python's Q module allows you to create queues of any size and provides methods to add and remove items in a thread-safe manner. It's an unsung hero that can make your code more efficient and elegant. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. So let's first start off with a simple example. We'll import the queue module and create a basic FIFO queue. FIFO stands for first in, first out, which means that the first item you add to the queue is the first one to come out. In this example, we first create a queue object. Then we add integers from 0 to 4 using a for loop and the put method. Then we use a while loop and the get method to retrieve and print each item out until the queue is empty. Alright, so as you can see, the queue module provides, let's run this first. There we go. As you can see, the queue module provides an intuitive way to create and manipulate queues. But let's make things a little more interesting. Let's discuss thread-safe queues, a powerful feature of Python's queue module. Suppose we have multiple threads producing and consuming data. Here, we'll demonstrate this with a queue of random numbers generated by producer threads and consumed by a single consumer thread. In this code, we first define our producer and consumer threads. The producer threads generate random numbers and put them into the queue, while the consumer threads retrieves and prints these numbers. The task done method signals that a formally enqueued task is now complete. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video on queues in Python. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below, drop a comment in the comment section, and we'll catch you in the next one.